Welcome to the Daily Business and Finance Show. Antitrust allegations, Apple in the crosshairs of DOJ, Reddit's remarkable rise with AI IPO, a glimpse into China's power play as Xi Jinping prepares to meet U.S. CEOs, Lockheed's hypersonic weapon passes final test, record-breaking day for Nasdaq, S&P, Dow on Fed euphoria and Reddit's soaring debut, Micron breaks records as Wall Street eyes it as next AI beneficiary, overbought signals flash across S&P 500 and its holdings. Stay tuned after this short ad break to delve deeper into these headlines. The United States Department of Justice, in collaboration with 16 state and district attorneys general, has initiated an antitrust lawsuit against the tech giant, Apple. The lawsuit claims that Apple is leveraging its iPhone to stifle competition in areas such as digital wallets. It also accuses the company of creating hurdles for users who wish to switch devices. Furthermore, Apple is alleged to restrict hardware functionality and impede communication between iPhone users and those using other devices.
Shares of Reddit experienced a significant surge, increasing by 48% during their public debut. This resulted in raising $748 million, thereby valuing the company at $6.4 billion. The offering was oversubscribed by 5 times, which is indicative of a strong demand from investors. Recently, Reddit entered into a contentious $60 million content licensing agreement with Google. Despite the fact that revenues increased to $804 million in 2023, Reddit reported net losses amounting to $90.8 million.
The U.S. Department of Justice has filed a new antitrust lawsuit against Apple, which could result in a substantial penalty and modifications to its business structure. This case may impact third-party access to iPhone hardware and software. It is anticipated that this will heighten the focus on Apple by authorities in Washington and the European Union.
Leaders from the United States business sector, among them Evan Greenberg, the chief executive officer of Chubb, are scheduled for a meeting with President Xi Jinping of China in the coming week. This gathering comes on the heels of a forum designed to provide reassurance to American corporations in light of a capital exodus from China involving foreign investors. The said meeting is slated to take place subsequent to the China Development Forum, and it is anticipated that 34 executives representing U.S. multinational companies will be in attendance.
The final test of Lockheed Martin's air-launched hypersonic weapon, known as the AGM-183A Air-Launched Rapid Response Weapon or ARRW prototype, has been successfully completed by the U.S. Air Force. Despite its cancellation due to previous failures, this test was conducted with the aim of collecting unique data for future hypersonic programs. It is important to note that no funding has been requested for ARRW in the 2025 budget by the Air Force. Currently, their only hypersonic weapon program is the Hypersonic Attack Cruise Missile.
Wall Street has reached new heights with major averages hitting record highs. This follows the Federal Reserve's decision to maintain steady interest rates. In other news, Reddit had a triumphant market debut, closing at 47.5% above its initial public offering price. This puts the company's valuation close to $8 billion. On another note, Treasury yields showed mixed results while all sectors of S&P concluded on a positive note with the exception of utilities and communication services. The Federal Reserve has increased growth and inflation forecasts while reducing cuts from 2025 onwards. Lastly, economic data related to housing and manufacturing have bolstered hopes for a soft landing.
Shares of Micron Technology experienced a significant increase of 17% due to Q2 results surpassing expectations. Wall Street has recognized this company as a key player benefiting from the progress in artificial intelligence. The high-bandwidth memory capabilities of this Idaho-based memory manufacturer have resulted in robust sales forecasts for the years 2024 and 2025. Analysts emphasize the possibility for increasing gross margins and sustained superior performance up until 2025.
On Thursday, the S&P 500 reached an all-time high. However, signs indicate that it may be overvalued. More than one-fifth of the stocks listed, which includes companies like Marathon Oil and Chipotle Mexican Grill, are also displaying warnings of being overvalued. These developments occur in the context of forecasts suggesting that due to market risks, the Federal Reserve might need to increase rates by the end of this year.
Thank you for tuning into the Daily Business and Finance Show. Stay informed, stay invested. Until next time, keep making those smart money moves. I'm Montgomery Jones.
And I'm Amalia Dupre. Farewell until tomorrow. Have a good one wherever you are. This content is sourced from the Seeking Alpha website, so support our podcast by becoming a Seeking Alpha Premium subscriber. See the show notes page for links to sign up. This episode is produced by Classic Studios. This podcast provides information only and should not be construed as financial or business advice. Check out our other podcasts in our network at classicstudios.com.